Happy Friday the 13th, everybody. 2023. We've got a lot of exciting things happening. This week we have been bombarding you with videos. We've had updates on the new expansion project. We've had our new OEM announcement. And I hinted that we had some more exciting announcements along the way. We're going to drop one of those tonight. How's your Friday the 13th going? If you caught this on Friday the 13th, give me a thumbs up or something down in the comments below. I love Friday the 13th. It's always a magical day. I love freaky, scary stuff and all of that if you're into all of that. So hopefully you're having a good night. But before I headed out for the night, I wanted to hop on here and announce a new addition to Big Pine Sports. Again, we are always looking for the next level, the next way to produce positive results with you, the customer. And if you're asking for it, we're going to bring it in. We're going to carry it. We're going to install it. We're going to do everything that we can to keep you guys happy. Do you want to check out what it is? I am thrilled to announce we are the latest rough country dealer. We are located in Fairview, Utah. We can ship this stuff out all over the United States. If you're familiar with rough country, you know they carry a lot of cool stuff for your UTV, ATV, Jeep, truck, and all of that. And just a little tidbit on what they have going on. Yeah, they've got all your wheel spacers and light bars, cup holders, and the list goes on and on and on in the side-by-side world. You've got all those awesome lift kits and machine-specific ways they mount light bars. All of this stuff, you guys, we've got and can get here at Big Pine Sports if we don't have it in stock. We have been ordering stuff in. We do have a lot of it in stock. If we don't have it in stock, we can generally have it within a couple of days. So they've been really great to work with so far. And with the addition of rough country, a little bit of hint / you could probably figure this out on your own. Yes, this is all side-by-side stuff we're looking at right now, but with the expansion of Big Pine Sports, you saw we have 8 more mechanic bays rolling in. Do you think we could get into doing a few other things out there? I think so. So if you have a Jeep, a truck, and all of that, and you're into the rough country accessories, hit us up here at Big Pine Sports, 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We don't have any of this stuff up on Big Pine's website or anything like that yet. So give us a call. We can get things coming your way. I'm super excited about the addition of rough country. I have some of their product on my Jeep. We have installed some of their product on employees' side-by-sides, and everything so far looks great. So we're thrilled to bring them on as a new vendor for us here at Big Pine Sports. And if there's something else that you think we should carry, I would love to hear what that is. Send us over an email to info@bigpinesports.com if you've got any ideas. If you're a business and you would like Big Pine Sports to carry your product, send us an email. We'll take a look at it and see if it's something we want to bring on board here at the store. With the expansion projects we've got going on, we have a lot of possibilities here, that's for sure. And if you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to drop something else tomorrow. And there is no one in Utah that carries this product line, not a single store, except for Big Pine Sports. And these vehicles are in transport to us. We're going to see them on, I believe, January 17th. So tomorrow, Saturday the 14th, I will hop back on here and drop some information about the latest to Big Pine Sports. Have a great night, everybody. Happy Friday the 13th. I couldn't let this day go by without hopping on here and saying hello and happy Friday the 13th. I wish you guys well. Have a great weekend, everybody.